Have you ever wanted to stitch a decorative stitch, but not the direction it's programmed for? So for example, your 907 turtle, okay, I like him because he's you can follow what I'm gonna do. As I'm showing you mirror image. So do you notice that if you see the pattern on your screen, that is exactly the way it stitches out. So at normal settings, it will stitch, let's say, from tail to head, which is all fine and good, except if you needed him to be over here, without having to turn all your fabric and get it squished inside the machine, sometimes we need him flipped over, okay? So maybe we need his baseline to be over here on the right side. So the mirror image left-right is what does that. So as we stitch, then you get the second one, and it will stitch out then a row of turtles going this way, so maybe closer to the edge that you are wanting. Well, sometimes we need the turtles going the other direction, so that's what the other mirror image is for, is that when you touch it, it is vertical mirror image instead of left-right. So notice what it changed from the original, where it's stitched from tail to head, now it's stitching from head to tail. And you can combine both mirror images to get the final combination where you get him to be on this side, but then stitching from head to tail as well. So definitely have an option here. And how did I actually just stitch this one time? I used the pattern repeat once, and each time I stitched it, I just stitched it, and it stopped after the turtle. I went ahead and mirror imaged it, stitched it, it went one time, then stopped, took that off, did the last one, and isn't that so nice that you can do? And then when I wanted to clear it out, removed all those active functions that were yellow, and now I'm back to normal stitching. So if you can't kind of visualize how it's going to stitch, even though it shows on screen, just go ahead, stitch a little sample out, and see which way your stitch is going to look, left, right, or end-to-end mirror imaging. So just depends on which one you have selected.